In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make presentation slide using Microsoft Designer. We'll start right from the home page and use the built-in AI to quickly turn your ideas into a polished presentation slide. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Designer website. When the page loads, you'll see two main paths. You can let the AI help, or you can design everything from scratch. Designing from scratch gives you full control, but using AI is faster and great when you want strong starting layouts in seconds. Choose the Create with AI option. This opens a guided workspace where your text prompt becomes the foundation for your slide's layout, colors, and imagery. On the next screen, pick the presentation format or category that best fits what you're making. Selecting a presentation-oriented option helps the tool suggest layouts that work well for titles, key points, and visuals. Click the option to confirm your choice and move into the Creator. Now it's time to type your description. Think of this as your creative brief. Be clear about the goal of the slide, the audience, and the tone. Mention any key points you need featured, the general style you prefer, and colors you want to lean into. For example, you might write, create a modern, clean presentation slide introducing a project overview, with a bold title area, space for 3 bullet highlights, and a subtle geometric background in blue and white. The more specific you are, the more accurate the results will be. Next, choose images. You can select from suggested visuals or upload your own brand assets and photos. Aim for images that reinforce your message without overwhelming your text. Consistency matters, so stick to a cohesive style. Icons and simple illustrations work well when clarity is the priority. If you're using stock images, favor high-resolution options and make sure they fit the tone you set in your description. Then, choose the size. For most slides, a widescreen 16:9 layout is ideal because it fits modern displays and presentation apps. If you're planning to show the slide on a different screen or embed it elsewhere, match the size to that destination so everything looks crisp. When you're ready, click Create. Designer will generate a set of slide variations based on your inputs. Browse through the options and pick the one that best captures your idea. If something is close but not perfect, adjust your description or image choices and create again to refine the result. That's all there is to it: simple, fast, and polished. You've just made a presentation slide using Microsoft Designer.